This is a hole in the drywall that I made by removing one of these ceramic towel hangers. Stick around and I'll show you how to fix it. Hey guys, my name's Andy, welcome to Dedicated, and this is part of my bathroom remodel series. If you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. The very first thing you want to do is find a small piece of wood that is a little bigger than your hole, but it has to be small enough to fit into the hole and big enough to where you can screw one screw on the top of the hole and one on the bottom. Carefully fit the piece inside the drywall, then hold the piece at an angle so you can screw one screw at the top. Then take another screw and screw it into the piece so you can move it and close the hole and screw it from the bottom. Next, place a piece of drywall that matches to your hole opening. I was fortunate enough that my original piece was hanging on the inside of the hole, so I was able to take it out and reuse it. Use 2 screws to secure the piece into the wood. Then use a putty knife and some drywall putty and fill in the gaps and the screws. Use a razor blade where necessary. Next, I was a bit impatient and sanded it down with my hand and then painted over it to see the outcome I'll get without doing any texturing, since I was using an existing piece and there was some texturing there already. As a result, it looked like crap. So I got an idea to see if there were any drywall texture tools out there. I found this drywall repair tool. The packaging was very cheap, but overall the quality of the template was not bad. It was made out of thin plastic. It comes with 3 different templates: blue, which was really big openings as you can see here, yellow has medium size, and green was small openings. As you can see here, I scraped some of uneven areas and decided to use the yellow template. I used some clear tape to hold it in place to the wall. Then I took some putty and spread on the template. Once covered the repair area, I slowly removed the template off the wall and let the putty dry. Once it was dry, I used sanding block and sanded the area a little bit to my liking. Then I painted the area again. I didn't like the outcome because it popped out too much and didn't really blend in very well. So since the paint was still wet, I took a big sponge, wiped it off, and since the putty wasn't covered or anything like that, I was able to wipe off some of that drywall putty. And after wiping it off, it actually smoothed it out a little bit and removed a little bit to where I didn't have to sand. So I decided to repaint it one more time to see how it would look. It wasn't the best outcome, but I'll give it about 7 out of 10, which was good enough for me, so I left it the way it was. So let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment below what you think of how it looks like. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.